Here's the correct order in which to pour different styles of wines so you impress your guests. Number 1, begin with sparkling wines like champagne or prosecco. Their light and refreshing taste makes them perfect for kicking off any occasion. Next, move to light whites. Pour light white wines such as Sauvignon Blanc, Riesling or Pinot Grigio. These wines are crisp and fresh, ideal as a second course. Next, transition to full-bodied whites. Fuller-bodied white wines like an oak Chardonnay or an Albarino have more depth and can handle richer dishes. Moving on to lighter reds like the Pinot Noir or a young Beaujolais or a Grenache blend, because these are elegant and smooth and they make a great transition from whites to reds. Ending the meal with full-bodied red wines like a Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot or a Syrah is perfect because these robust wines are great for hearty dishes and ending the meal on a high note. And for dessert, enjoy a sweet wine like a Sauternes or a Tokay. Follow this order to enhance your wine tasting experience and impress your guests. Share this knowledge with your wine-loving buddies and follow me for more wine tips. Cheers.